back to the continuation of the analysis of the insider trading report that is publicly available on the NSE's website. Okay, so this one is the continuation of the first part. In the first part, we reached up to the reached up to this particular Excel sheet wherein we calculated the average price at which the promoters or promoter groups made an entry into the Bharti Infratel. Okay, so let's go back to our master sheet and check out which symbol is next. Okay, so as you guys know that I would calculate the average price of only those stocks which have been color coded as yellow or green. So let me just quickly walk you through it for those who have not seen the first part of the video. Okay, the video has been uploaded just before this particular video. Okay, so and today while I'm recording this video, it is 3rd of December and it is 10:37 p.m. Okay, so let me just quickly walk you through that. On basis of what we have color coded the symbols as yellow, red or green. Okay, so we have basically four main parameters, among which three are compulsory parameters and one is an optional parameter. If the if a particular stock fails to pass any one of the compulsory parameter, then we color code it as red and we leave that stock. Secondly, if any particular stock successfully passes all the three compulsory criteria but fails to pass the criteria that is an optional one and that is earnings per share, then we color code it as yellow. And lastly, if the particular stock passes all the four criteria including the optional parameter, then we color code it as green. Okay, moving forward, as we can see, Power Mac would be our next selection, and we'll copy it down and go back to our insider trading tab from where we have been downloading the Excel report, sorry, the insider trading report in the Excel format for the whole past video. Okay, so I'll paste the company name right here. I'll click on this Power Mac Projects Limited. Next, I will once it gets refreshed, I'll just select the 3 months data once again to be sure. Okay, I don't know why is it taking so long time. Okay, let me just quickly refresh this whole tab once again and paste the name of the company again. Okay, now once it has loaded, I'll select the time frame that is 3 months. That is very important that we download the Excel report for 3 months only. And if you guys want to know that what is the importance of this particular time frame, then again I would strongly recommend you to go and check out the playlist Trading on Insider Information. In that I have explained and I have elaborated what is the importance of each and every small detail. Okay, again, if you guys have any doubt regarding it, then please don't hesitate in asking them in the comment section below. Okay, let's not waste much more time and download the Excel file of Power Mac Projects Limited. And this particular report is particularly for Power Mac only. Okay, so download it. Okay, now we open this file. Now, in this particular Excel sheet, we will again apply the filters which we applied in the first Excel sheet in which we used. So I will walk you through again since it is a different video. So the filters would be on the selected columns, and those are mode of acquisition and category of person. The category of person should be promoters or promoter groups. As you can very well see that it is we don't need to delete any rows because both of the rows are promoters only. Next filter would be on the mode of acquisition, and the mode of acquisition should be market purchase. Sometimes I allow inter-se transfer when studying the when I'm analyzing the particular stock. Okay, not in the first Excel sheet. In that we only want market purchase, but in when we are viewing the insider trading report of one particular stock, then I sometimes include the interstate transfer also. But okay, we don't need to explain that here. We have market purchase only, so we can go ahead and do our calculation. So the calculation would be quite simple one. Since we need to reach to the average price, we want to sum the total number of securities that is in this column, and we want to sum the total value of security that is in this column. Now, for the average price, we will divide the total value of security by total number of security. So let's just quickly apply the formula and drag it down. Sorry, drag it right. Okay, next what we'll do, we'll divide the total value of security by total number of security. Okay, so let me just decrease the decimal point. Okay, it is 395.80. I'll just highlight it and bold it. 395.80. So before doing anything, let me just record it in our master sheet. 395.80 rupees. Okay. Now, the next step would be to check at what price point this particular stock has been trading. So as you can see, today's price was 426 rupees. So, okay. Now, as I mentioned in all the videos, that our aim is to make an entry in the particular stock closest to this particular price point. The price point which is the average price point at which the promoters made an entry to the stock. But again, it's not always possible to make an entry in this particular price. Okay, so we have to make some adjustments. We need to find a range. Sometimes I consider the plus minus 5% range or plus minus 3% range. If the current trading price falls between the plus minus 5% or plus minus 3% range, then I usually go ahead and do the further analysis. There is one point left before buying the stock. Okay. So okay, so we can check that whether or not it falls in that plus minus 5% range. Again, you can select your particular range, but I would suggest don't go beyond plus minus 5% range. Okay, so moving forward, let's check what stock we have. The next one is Veto, so I'll copy it down. I'll go to the insider trading tab. I'll paste it here. Okay, now I'll click on the 3 months just to be sure. I'll download this Excel file. I'll open it and I'll repeat the process which we did in the previous Excel sheet. Okay, so before doing the calculation, we have to check the category of person should be promoter or promoter group. It works fine with me. The second filter would be on mode of acquisition. It is market purchase, so no need to worry. And let's move forward to our calculation swiftly. Okay, Control R. Yeah. Uh, Next one would be to calculate the average price, and let me just decrease the points and highlight it. Control bold. Yeah, it is 60.54 rupees. So before doing anything else, I'll like to record this price, 60.54 rupees. Again, just because we are calculating the value and it falls in the range of plus minus 5%, it's not necessary to go ahead and buy that particular stock. Before making any position, what we have to check, that is a very crucial point, is actually 2 points. One of them I have mentioned in the previous video. Let me just repeat it. As you can see, there are 3 dates that are available in the individual insider trading report of the stock. So these dates are important. If you guys want to know what is the importance of these dates, please do check out the fourth part of my playlist, Trading on Insider Information. I'll place the fourth part individually in the description box below. Also, you could see that on the I button on the top right corner of your screen. Okay, this was the first point. The second point is uh, okay. The second point is once it falls in the range of plus minus 5% and you have checked the dates of allotment and intimation to the company, then the last point would be to check the average volume. What is the volume traded in that particular stock? You might consider weekly volume, weekly average, monthly average, 3 month average, yearly, or whatever you seem fit best for your analysis. I usually consider 3 months or sometimes 1 month. Uh, but the important point is why it is necessary to calculate the average traded volume, because it will give us a hint of the liquidity risk in that particular stock. If the average traded volume is very low, like 5,000, 10,000, then I would suggest to avoid that particular stock. Again, I'm making these videos only for educational purpose and I'm not suggesting any buy or sell signal in any particular security. So do consult with your financial planner or your broker before making any position in a stock. Okay, so moving forward, the next stock is VSSL. Okay, I'll paste the company name here. Click on it. I'll just click 3 months once again to double check. I'll download the Excel file. I'll open it. Okay, it has opened. Yeah. Now, before doing any calculation, we have to follow the filtering process. It's very important. So as you can see, all the rows are of promoters only, and all the mode of acquisition, I guess, is of market purchase. Okay. So we are clear, and we need the total number of security and total value of security. Sorry. Yeah, and let's divide it now, the total value of security by total number of security, and we reach to a price. That is the average price, 84.73 rupees. So I will note it down, 84 point, 84.73 rupees. Yeah. Now, the next stock on our list is TCI. So I'll copy it down. I'll paste the name and the company name right here. Transport Corporation. Oh, sorry. Uh, TCI, Transport Corporation of India Limited. 3 months. Download the file. Open it. And this is TCI, I guess. No, it is VSSL. Uh, okay, why it is not opening? Yeah, here is TCI. Sorry. Now we have to apply the filter. As you can see, the last two rows are of others. I don't want others. I just want promoters and promoter groups as my entries. So I'll just quickly delete them. Next filter would be on the mode of acquisition. It should be market purchase, as I repeated on every Excel sheet. So no need to delete any particular row. I'll sum this up quickly. Okay, yeah. Uh, Shift and Control R. Yeah. Next, what we have to do is we have to divide the total value of security by total number of security. I'll decrease the decimal points to two decimal places only. It is 239.08 rupees. Let me bold it. Yeah. I'll note it down in our master sheet. 239.08. Let me just cross check. Yeah, 239.08. Okay. So the last stock for today for which we are going to calculate the average price is Aaron. I'll copy it down. I'll again go to our insider trading tab in the Chrome. I'll paste it down here. I'll click on the 3 months data, download it. I'll open this file. Uh, Yeah, It has opened now. Again, we have to do the filtering process. As you can see, category of person is promoter and promoter groups only. Mode of acquisition is market purchase. Again, I'm not pressuring on the point the date of allotments, because the analysis of the dates is beyond the scope of the video. If you guys want me to also analyze or tell you the importance of the dates, do mention it in the comment section below, and I'll make a separate video to give you the importance of the dates of allotment. Okay, and I'll also analyze the dates. I myself analyze the dates and also the volume. If you guys also want to know the average volume and whether it is good or not to buy the stock, whether the liquidity risk is higher or lower. If you guys want a separate video for that or for a particular company, then do mention it in the comment section below. Okay, so moving forward, let me just calculate the number of security. Okay, sorry. Okay, what's happening? Yeah. Oh. Okay, 7. Let's just drag it down to the right. Now divide the total value of security by total number of security to reach the average price point. 14.25 rupees. I'll bold it. Okay, sorry. Wrong tab. 14.25 rupees. Okay, now I have not checked the current trading price of these stocks, but you get the idea, right? That it should fall in the range of plus minus 5% or plus minus 3% is better, but you can extend it to plus minus 5% for good stocks. Okay, so I have not checked the current trading price of these stocks, but you should check before buying it, and few more points before buying it, as I mentioned in this video. Okay, so this is all for today, and I'll be coming back with the insider trading report analysis again once there are new stocks in our list. So thank you for watching, and do mention your complaints, your suggestions, your thoughts, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this particular video or any particular video, you can just comment it down. And also, if you guys want to see any other type of analysis, give me suggestions in the comment section below. I'll entertain it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.